This video is sponsored by Skillshare.
I'm not in love with you anymore.
It is legitimately 5:30 in the morning. I have no idea how I used to do this shit in high school.
Okay, what?
Okay, I'm not in love with you either.
Yes, I know.
Clearly, we have a very busy day today. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I hope you're ready, because I'm not. Okay. Hi, bud. If you're wondering why I'm up at 5:30, I'll show you. Oh, that's a great tripod. Oh my god, that hits so different. Because it's so early, I can't get into the bathroom right now because my mom is in the shower because she always gets up at this time. So I'm intruding on her time. So I need to leave in like 40 minutes-ish. Maybe I will make myself a smoothie. I think I'll make myself a smoothie. I don't know what else to do. I'm hungry. So. Her little stomach was growling.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Oh, no, it wasn't.
It was.
Her belly growls.
Yes!
Oh, baby.
Yeah. So I just pulled out this cat carrier, and this means that this little girl will be going to the vet today. That is why I am up so early, because we have to have her there by 7:30, and it is a solid 45 minutes away. Archie's like, I would love the spotlight right now, thank you. Well, first of all, her belly is shaved because she got an ultrasound last week. Her belly is rumbling because we had to take away their food at midnight in preparation for today. The lighting in here is horrible right now. I'm sorry, it's very early. I decided I'm not even gonna get ready at all before I go because I'm just gonna do all that when I get back because it's way too early, and also I don't have time at this point. I have to leave in 15 minutes. After I'm done drinking my smoothie, I'm just gonna brush my teeth, load the cat in the car, and go. At this point, I just need to change. I'm gonna put on leggings. Where are my leggings? Pretty sure I was wearing the sweatshirt in my last video, but it's because I wear it all the time, so that's fine. I'm just gonna wear these leggings because they do match the purple Clemson. Just gonna put these on. Call it a day. All right, I'll be back. I'm back. Leggings are on. I also did not sleep in the sweatshirt. I put this on once I got up, but even if I did sleep in it, who the f cares? That's literally it. That's all I'm gonna do to get ready. Got vaccinated the other day. Well, half vaccinated, but still exciting.
Want me to put her in there before I start drying?
Oh, right now?
No?
She's like looking at us like, oh hell no.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
It'll be okay. I feel horrible about this. I'm sorry. Oh, is it Wednesday? Free donut Wednesday! All right, let's go get the cat. It's just us for good girl. Okay. Good morning, Fluff. Here she is. She's right there. We gotta go. Are we gonna stop at Dunkin', Fluff?
Bruh.
All right, we're gonna go to Dunkin' now. I'll see you guys when we get there. I just have to believe that the people who come to Dunkin' at this hour are regulars. It is 6:45. Like, these are definitely the people that come here every morning. So you would hope that they would have their orders ready. You know what I mean? I should not be waiting on these people. Like, the line is moving. The line is moving at a great pace right now. This never happens. Fluff, do you want anything? So let me tell you guys what is going on with Fluff before I get up here and order. Today, Miss Fluff is going to get a gastrointestinal scope done because we have already gotten ultrasounds, we have done blood work, we have done x-rays. We're trying to figure out what is wrong with this poor girl. She has been throwing up. She's been having these like periods of throwing up everything, and then she kind of self-recovers, and then we think she's okay, and then she does it again. And she is a big cat. I think we all know at this point Fluff is a big cat, and she has lost 3 pounds over the last few months, Miss poor girl. So obviously something is very not right, and we are trying to figure out what it is. We took her to our vet at first. They did the x-rays and they did blood work, and then they referred us to a specialist, an internal medicine specialist. So that's where I'm going right now. That's why it's so far away from me, is because it is a specialist. Oh, it's my turn. Excuse me. Hi, could I please get a medium hazelnut iced coffee with almond milk? Could I also get one of the double chocolate donuts? So yes, she is getting a scope done today. I'm dropping her off at 7:30, and then I'm gonna have to pick her up at like 4 or 4:30. It's non-invasive, but they're still like putting her under, obviously, because they're sticking a scope down her. But yeah, that's what's going on with Fluff, and that's what's happening today. Thank you. Have a good day. Get this ready, and we're off. Starting route. All right, Miss Fluffer. It's okay, we can listen to some music if you'd like. We're gonna start a jam session now. Play Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo on Spotify.
Slow down, raindrops on my window. I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. And the microphone on the wall. I'm upside down, singing down.
My Miss Girl is here. Yes, you are gonna feel so much better. Everyone send love and prayers to Fluff, even though after this is posted, she will have already done this. Miss Girl, I love you so much. You're gonna be okay, okay?
Good morning, thank you for calling. Hi, I'm here in the parking lot with my cat, Fluff. They just took Fluff in for her procedure, and I don't know why I'm emotional about it. Okay, well, dropped her off, and I'm gonna go home now. The 45 minutes back home. I'm gonna have to be on call all day. They said they're gonna be calling me periodically with updates. Please don't skip the ads. Please don't skip the ads. For Fluff. Thank you. What's up, everyone? I'm home. I just put my contacts in, and now I'm about to finally get ready for the day. I'm gonna start by doing my morning skincare. I have lots and lots to do today, so really need to start by getting ready. I need to do my skincare, I need to do makeup, I have a few things I need to shoot today. I'm listening to a podcast right now as well. This is no surprise. It's Wednesday, so Supernatural with Ashley Flowers released a new episode today. So that is what I'll be listening to for the next 26 minutes and 39 seconds.
Eventually, and according to the rumors, the bear, the bull, the man in shiny armor.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go?
I just finished getting ready. Oh, I put my makeup on. That's really it. Now I am hungry, so I'm gonna make my famous avocado toast for lunch right now. I forgot about my donut that I got at Dunkin'. Best bread. Oh, hi, buddy. He just follows me. So cute. All right, lemon juice. Archie! Pepper. Salt. Hot sauce. Knife. All right. Toast is ready. I'm gonna go eat it now and then I'll worry about that later. Okay, so right now I'm gonna finally start doing some of the YouTube work that I need to do today. This video that you're watching right now is sponsored, I said that at the beginning, by Skillshare. So today is Wednesday when I'm filming this and I need to film the actual sponsorship clip that I'm gonna actually play for you, probably play in a couple minutes after I'm done talking about all this stuff. I want to give you guys kind of like a behind the scenes look at what YouTube work looks like what filming sponsorships and stuff looks like. My point was I need to film that clip and submit it by tonight. I'll send it to my manager and then she will send it over to Skillshare for them to watch it and approve it. So I need to film that and then edit it and then upload it unlisted to YouTube and then send that link to my manager and then she will send that link to Skillshare. Before I film it, I need to refresh myself on the talking points for this month. For each sponsorship, you get sent a brief, a creative brief, and it just goes over things like what the campaign, if there's a specific campaign and specific messaging that they want to advertise for this specific period of time. It goes over all of that. It explains whatever the product or service is if you are using it for the first time. And it also gives you talking points of things that you could say during the integrated part. And then it also includes a call to action that usually you hear at the end, which is typically like, you can click the link in my bio to sign up for blah, blah, blah. That's a call to action. All of that is in the brief. So I need to go reference the brief. And I've worked with Skillshare a ton, as you guys have probably seen, because I love Skillshare. I already kind of know a lot about Skillshare, but I'm pretty sure that this month we are doing different messaging for the call to action, so I just need to refresh myself on that. Something else I like about this is that it is so aligned with my major. It's insane. I'm a marketing major. This brief that they sent is called the YouTube Influencer Marketing Kit. I don't know, I just think it's really cool and it's really fun to learn about stuff like this in class, but then actually have it in front of me and doing it in real life. Now we're ready to film. I'm gonna go film and then I'm going to import my footage and I'm gonna edit it. At 30% off of the. Did I seriously say sponsorship? Are you kidding me? Okay, I redid it. We're back in business. And now, a word from our sponsor. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. As you guys know, I work with Skillshare all the time. I love Skillshare so much. I think that their platform is so amazing and it's so creative and fun. So I'm happy to be bringing you another message from Skillshare today. So if you don't know what Skillshare is, or if you want a little refresher, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes for creative and curious people. You can take classes on such a wide variety of topics, everything from freelancing to illustration to art to music to productivity and lifestyle. Like I said, there's thousands of classes, so you are sure to find something that you're interested in on Skillshare. I have taken several classes on Skillshare and I have learned so many fun things and just new ways to unlock my creativity that I didn't even think about before. The class that I am currently taking is called How to Create a Cohesive Instagram Feed Using Adobe Lightroom. And oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited for this class because this is something that I have wanted to try to do for so long. I always look at people's Instagrams that are cohesive and have a theme and I'm just like, wow, that person looks like they're so put together. I think that it's just a beautiful aesthetic to have. And I've always wanted to do it, but I never knew how to like get started or how to maintain it. This class is taught by Dale McManus, and throughout this class, he's going to be teaching us how to choose a filter style, how to choose a color scheme, how to choose a tile layout. He's even going to run through a tutorial on the basics of Adobe Lightroom. Honestly, one of the best parts about this class is that it's only 30 minutes long for this entire thing, so it can easily fit into my very busy school schedule. Another one of my favorite things about Skillshare is that It is curated for learning. So there are no ads in any of the classes. They're always launching new classes, and you can take as many as you want with the Skillshare Premium membership. So if you are interested in trying out Skillshare, the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description will get a Skillshare Premium membership that lasts the entire year at a 30% off discount from what it usually costs. Also, even if you've already had a free trial of Skillshare, maybe you have tried it in one of my past videos through the link that I put in my description, you can still get this 30% off. Typically, a Skillshare Premium membership for the year is $99, which would already be less than $10 a month. But with this 30% off deal that you can get using the link in my description, the monthly cost of this membership will be less than $6 for you to take as many classes as you want. Again, make sure to click the link in my description to check out Skillshare if you are interested. I love Skillshare. Thank you guys again for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into the vlog. Okay, hi everyone. Wow, my hair looks crazy. It is several hours later. I am obviously back in the car right now, and I am leaving to go pick up Fluff. They called me like an hour and a half ago, basically to tell me she was alive. I finished the Skillshare clip, and then I had an Instagram story series to work on. I devised a plan with my dad that he can meet me somewhere to take Fluff from me so he can take her home so that I can go to class. Someone has to take Fluff. I feel bad. I want to take Fluff home. Ah! They're calling me. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Fluff did fine during the procedure. Here, the mucosa was severely inflamed in appearance. I took multiple biopsies for going out to the pathologist for microscopic review. It takes about a week to 10 days to get these results back. And
okay, thank you so much. All right, I'm gonna drive to get Fluff, and I will see you guys then. Good girl, Fluff. Look at her little sleepy eyes. She's very sleepy. Okay, hi. I just dropped my cat off. Well, I didn't drop her off. I did a little switcheroo with my mom so that Fluff could go home. In conclusion, I'm going to McDonald's. Poor Fluff. Fluff was just so tired, which was to be expected, but she is such a trooper. She did so well today. Please do not skip the ads. I cannot stress that enough. All right, bitches, I made it to McDonald's. Hi, could I please get a 4-piece chicken nugget? Could I also get a medium fry and an apple pie and just a cup of water? Can I get sweet and sour? Thank you. Thank you. You too. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. All right, I'm gonna go to school now. We're here and I'm gonna eat my remaining nuggets. What I love about having a night class is after 5, you can park in the teacher spots. So I'm actually parked directly next to my advisor right now. And it's just really convenient because the door is right there. I think I'm just gonna spend the next like 5 minutes listening to Peaches by Justin Bieber because it's just been stuck in my head and vibing, and then I will walk into class. Oh, you do? Hello everybody, it is the next day and I am here looking rough and this vlog. Yesterday was very busy, very long day. I somehow got it all done. No idea how, but I did. God bless. Fluff is home. She is resting. She is still sleepy from the anesthesia, but she is alive, so that is what matters. And with that being said, that is going to be the end of today's vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday. And if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified right when I post a new video, make sure you turn on my post notifications. It's a little bell icon so that you never miss an upload and you get notified right when I post a new video. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.